How to link your bank account to PayPal. So let's get started. To start linking a new bank account, look for Wallet on the top bar, which brings you to an overview of your current PayPal balance as well as linked credit or debit cards. Simply click on a linked bank account to start the process. And in your bank account details, you can add your bank account details via bank verification or wire transfer. This is for the bank verification, and this one is wire transfer. You will need to know the country region of your bank and details such as the bank name, bank code, branch location, branch code, and your account number. Lastly, once you have completed all, please verify with Union Pay card. A verification message code will be sent via linked phone number. No deposit is required, and that is it. You are done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.